Matalan is a very successful retailer of clothing and homewares. Founded in 1985, they have shown phenomenal growth and will have over 180 stores by the end of 2003. Most of the items of clothing delivered into Matalan stores are individually wrapped in plastic. The plastic is removed before the clothing is put on display. As a result, Matalan stores produce a huge amount of plastic waste. All this waste is put into skips and sent to a landfill. A Mil-tek Model 102 baler has been installed, and the plastic waste is now baled and is returned to the depot for recycling. This reduces the plastic to 10% of its original volume. The store area is now tidier, and Matalan has decided to install a Model 102 HD in all of their 180 stores in the UK.